Hello everyone, welcome back to Brain Power Classes. Today we are going to start with class 12th economics chapter number 7 national income. So, national income means the total value of all final goods and services produced in a country during a year. So, we will be learning about the national income, its concept, meaning, features, definitions, importance, difficulties and all. So, national income is the total value of all final goods and services produced in a country during once in a year, during 1 year. It is important because it helps us understand how much a country produces, whether the economy is growing or not, the standard of living of people. This all we can come to know on our by our national income. So, first let's understand what is the meaning of national income. In simple words, national income is flow of goods and services produced in an economy during 1 year, expressed in terms of money. So, since modern economics works with money, national income is always measured in monetary terms. Now, let's see the definition of national income. So, according to National Income Committee (NIC), national income measures the volume of commodities and services produced during a given period without double counting. In simple, just keep in mind that we should count every good only once. If we count twice, it will be double counting. So we will be not getting a proper national income or the conclusion we can't draw. And now see, next definition is of our Professor A.C. Pigou. So, according to here, Professor Pigou, national dividend is the part of objective income of the community, including, of course, income derived from abroad, which can be measured in money. So, only those goods and services which can be expressed in money are included according to Pigou. Now, Professor Irving Fisher. So, according to Fisher, national income consists national dividend or income consists solely of services as received by ultimate consumers, whether from their material or from their human environments. So, in simple, just remember that national income consists only of services received by consumers from material and human environments, as per Erwin Fisher's definition. Now, these were the three definitions. First was given by NIC, National Income Committee. Second was given by Professor A.C. Pigou and Professor Fisher. Third one. Now, let's learn features of national income. Now, let's see the one by one. First feature is it's a macroeconomic concept. So national income studies the economy as a whole, not an individual. So it is a macroeconomic concept. Value of only final goods and services. Example ticket. Example ticket of shirt making, from cotton to cloth to shirt. So final whatever expenditure or cost of the production will be there, that will be calculated. So the only final goods are counted. So as we see in the example from of shirt making, cotton to cloth to shirt, so the final good is produced, so that good value is only considered. So if we count all three separately, it becomes double counting. So therefore, we count only the final product, that is the shirt made from cotton, cotton to cloth to shirt. Net aggregate value. Depreciation is deducted. National income is equal to total output minus depreciation. So the after minor deducting from the total output, whatever depreciation, we will be getting the net aggregate value. Next is net income from abroad. So income earned from foreign countries is also included. Formula is net incomes from abroad is equal to receipts from abroad minus payments made to abroad. Next is financial year. In India, financial year is from 1st April to 31st March. Flow concept. National income is measured over a period of time, usually 1 year, not more than that. Money value. National income is always measured in money. So these were the 7 features of national income. Now let's learn circular flow of national income. So the circular flow explains how money and goods move continuously between household to firms. There are two sectors, households and firms. Before that, you see a circular flow of income can be determined for the following: two sector economy, household and firms; three sector economy, households, business, firms, and government sector; four sector, households, business, government, and foreign sector. As number increases, the one sector increases. So you can see, let's see, first we will be learning the two sector model of circular flow of national income. So there are two sectors. One is household and second is firm. And flow of factors of production are households. Households provide land, labor, capital, enterprise to firms. So you can see a firms to household, households to firms. And same as a flow of income, as we gave how households provide land, labor, capital to firms, and firms in return, firms pay rent, wages, interest, household interest, profit to the household. So households use this income to buy goods and services from firms. Thus money and goods keep moving in a circle. This is called the circular flow of national income. It is a continuous process, and in between that income is generated. Next is different concepts of national income. So following are these some of the important concepts related to national income. First is GDP, gross domestic product. So GDP means the market value of all final goods and services produced within a domestic territory of a country during 1 year. Formula is GDP is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M. C is private consumption, I is government's consumption, C is private consumption, I is domestic private investment, G is government's consumption and investment, and X minus M is export minus import. Next we have NDP, that is net domestic product. So NDP is calculated by GDP minus depreciation. The net domestic product is the market value of all final goods and services produced within the territorial boundaries. In GDP we say that within a country, and in NDP within a territorial boundary during a period of 1 year only. Next is GNP, that is gross national product. GNP includes domestic production plus net income from abroad. Formula is GNP is equal to C plus I plus G plus X minus M R minus P. Now here GNP is gross national product, C is same as C is private consumption, I is investment, G is government's expenditure. In this R minus P is extra is added, that is receipts from abroad and payments made abroad that deducted and added. Now next is fourth one is net national product, that is NNP. So NNP is calculated by GNP minus depreciation. So net national product is the market value of all final goods and services produced by the residents of a country during a period of 1 year. Now let's learn what is the concept of green GNP. So green GNP considers environmental factors also, not just money. So green GNP formula is GNP is equal to GNP minus environmental pollution plus depletion of natural resources, then we will be getting the final, that is green GNP. So it promotes sustainable development, environmental protection and long-term economic welfare. So this was about green GNP. Now this is our part 2. In next part in part sorry, this is part 1. In next part 2 we will be learning further. So in part 2 we will be learning methods of measuring national income, precautions, difficulties and importance of national income. Thank you everyone. Keep learning and keep growing with brain power classes. See you in next video.